is a new song I wrote called She Likes It When It Rains. And it goes like this. Hope you like it. The sun is nowhere to be found. It's hiding behind all those rain clouds. It's gonna be another one of those days. I'm trying my best to ignore the pain. She likes it when it rains, it comes down pouring. She loves the thunderstorms, and it's her perfect kind of day. She likes it when it rains. There's always a rain that makes me think of her. Thunder is so loud I can't ignore this hurt. Yeah, I just want a sunny day, not a cloud in the sky. I think it's the only way to get her off my mind. She likes it when it rains, when it comes down pouring. She loves the thunderstorms, and it's her perfect kind of day. She likes it when it rains. She likes it when it rains on Sunday mornings. Thunderstorms, and it's her perfect